Hello guys, welcome back to Len App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Eufy Security app not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there are going to be a few things that you could do here to probably fix this issue or some issues that you're encountering. So first things first is you want to clear your cache. Now to do that, you want to locate the Eufy Security app here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon that you see there, and click on clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Now here, choose clear cache. Click on OK, and once you've done that, what we need to do next is we want to make sure that we have the latest version for our app. So you want to go ahead and open up Google Play Store here and search for Eufy Security. Now in here you should be able to click on it, and if you do see any update button on it, go ahead and click on that update button and wait for it to complete. Now once the update is complete, restart your phone, and from then on open up Eufy Security and see if that solves the issue. In this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Len App. Thank you for watching.